there's something reaching down. Big funnel cloud right there. I think that's it. Coming down right in front of me. Like it's on the ground. It doesn't look like it's fully condensed, but I would be blown away if that was not on the ground with how like tight of a couplet that is and how tight that looks like, the rotation. There you can't see anything in this rain. I'm trying to get out of it, but it's not working particularly well. There it is, on the ground right there. I see it on the left side. It's fully condensed. Now getting out of the rain. Looks like there may be a place for me to stop right up here. Looks like it may be getting ready to try to do it again. Oh yeah, I think it's right there. See it? I think that's the actual tornado. Wow, look at that. Yeah, there it is. See the needle funnel in there. Look at that. Wow. Try to get out of the way of the hail and rain again, and out of the way of the tornado, and then I'm going to flip around and watch it again. Oh god. Yeah, that's what we're running from. That was a pretty sizable hailstone. I just bounced. Oh, that's another one. Okay, yep, time to go, 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 go.